Hi folks, it's Nesta here on Infinitely Zero's channel. I'm going to do an unboxing today of a Mary Maxim order that I got, and very non-traditional view for how I usually do things on my channel. But as I mentioned, I haven't been feeling well and I sprained the tendon in my left arm, so I'm supposed to rest it. So hopefully this will be easier to show and I won't have to lift up the two Afghan kits that I got. And my dog, you can see his paws, is very curious about everything that's going on. Anyway, so I wanted to say welcome to my new and returning watchers and subscribers. Thanks so much for coming. And if you like the content on my channel, please click like and subscribe. You can also decide, subscription is free. If you can also decide to join and become a member if you like. And that you click on the join button, and for those who are already members, thank you so much for your support. Okay, so I'm probably going to make these for my aunt. She loves Christmas, so she mentioned she liked that poinsettia Afghan kit as well as the one behind. Is Winter Wonderland in greens. Mosaic crochet overlay crochet kit. So this poinsettia one, as you can see, it comes with the starlet yarn. It's 4 skeins of the starlet yarn, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 skeins of the green. The green is called, I'll grab it for a second here. Let me see. Anyways, I'll read you the specs of the green. There's 1 yellow, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of that Aran Irish twist tweed. So this green one is the Mary Maxim Starlet yarn. It's 100% acrylic yarn. This colorway is I don't know. It's green. Oh, here, grass green. It's 3.5 ounces or 100 grams, 180 yards or approximately 165 meters, made in Turkey. And this part is machine wash and dryable, and they recommend those size hooks, which 5mm H8 or 5mm knitting needle, and it's a number 4 worsted weight yarn. The red skeins, the colorway is called Cardinal. There it is, Cardinal. The yellow skein, this is the yellow. It's like a lemony yellow. It's coming out brighter than it is in person, but it's kind of close to that. It's called Soft Yellow. And this is the cream colored yarn, which is the Mary Maxim Aran Irish tweed yarn. 4 ounces or 114 grams, approximately 205 yards or 187 meters, made in Turkey. It's also, oops, cardboard. It's also pretty good thickness. Machine washable and dryable. Number 4 weight yarn, I said that already, and they recommend the same size hook, which is the H8 5mm. And the color is natural. Nope, it's not there we go. There, it focused. And I would say this one, the Starlet, is a little on the thicker side. Like more like an Aran weight. So yeah, and I'll show you a close-up of the picture of the pattern. Yes, there's more goodies in there, in the box. So that's what the pattern looks like. It has those pretty poinsettias on the bottom, which I'm not sure if I'll be able to make. And the size is at 48.5 by 59 inches, classified intermediate. Yeah. So that's one kit. I know, he's playing. Doggy is playing. This is the second kit. It's pretty heavy. It's that Winter Wonderland in greens. And it has very detailed photos throughout the pattern when I had looked at it. I think, oh yeah, the designer is One Skein of Love. And let me show you all the yarn that comes with it. So, it's 4 big skeins of this green color, 2 of this softer green color, and then like 6 of that basics. I think it's like cream color, so I'll read it to you now. Let's see. So this darker green color, is medium green. These are the Mary Maxim. It's about 474 yards, 100% acrylic, 227 grams or 8 ounces. It says the care instructions: machine wash, dry low. It's a number weight 4 yarn. Oh, and made in Turkey. Doesn't really say that crochet hook size, but that's fine. It's a good size 4, I think. Did you see it there? Yeah. Yeah, the softer green color is light green. Yeah, and it's definitely 6 of that basics. Let me see if there's one loose to read to you. Oh, they're all in 3 packs. So the colorway for this is called Crepe, C-R-E-P-E. This is from Premier Yarns. It's made in Turkey as well. And it's the Premier Basics yarn, worsted weight number 4. Whoop. 359 yards or 328 meters, 7 ounces, 200 grams, 100% acrylic. Recommended an I5.5 millimeter or US 9 size knitting needles. Machine wash, warm, tumble, dry low. It's a pretty color. It's like a off-whitish color. Let me fix my mess. This is, the pattern is a book. It's a book. It's a book. But like I said, it goes through lots of pictures. That's the pattern close up. It's very pretty. I may like do these rows maybe brown and put in my own brown yarn and maybe add some red somewhere. But yeah, as an example, you see it's that's why it's so thick, because the pattern is like, has the charts and has the detailed pictures for each section, like step by step. So I think a beginner would be able to, or advanced beginner, you know, or if it's like your first mosaic crochet, that would you could probably pull it off. Plenty of videos out there on how to do overlay mosaic crochet, and also you can also buy their pattern on Ravelry as well from this designer if you don't want to buy a whole kit. And you can look to see what other people have done the blankets in with the colorway. Sorry, it's 4 skeins of the darker green yarn, if I didn't say that already. And 2 skeins of the lighter green. And everything's falling apart. Okay, we're putting that to the side. The next, I got this little cute kit from Mary Maxim, Gnomes for the Holidays. I cannot remember the price, but it was on sale. And I'm not opening up the kit, but yeah, they say approximately 8 inches tall. They're very cute gnomes. And that's what comes with it. The Premier Basics shimmer yarn. The 216 yards, 198 meters. 4.23 ounces or 120 grams, 97% acrylic, 3% polyester. You can machine wash, and I think it's made in Turkey too, but I'm not sure. And this is whatever their red colorway is, with the white with silver sparkle and then a whole skein of green silver sparkle. And it has some, I think that's fiber fluff, maybe for the beard, maybe some fiber, and then some other separate craft yarn. Yeah, you see that? Maybe for the little pom-poms, and that was for their beards. Then I thought these were too cute, and I've been wanting these for a while, and you can't see their picture. Oh, shoot. It's the deer gnome. They're super adorable. I don't want to open this right now. Like, I don't think there's another way to show this without tearing open the bag. Anyways, I'll think of something. So it comes with the Mary Maxim Mellow Spun DK yarn. This colorway is the red. I can't even read the colors like this either. I'm gonna have to open this. Oh, it has a hole. It has a hole in it. You saw it came with a hole. I didn't do it. Okay, this color is toasted almond. And then these are the little bells and little smaller things of yarn for the reindeers. Let me see if I find the pattern here by the Mary Maxim catalog that I have handy. Maybe more recent one. I'm still here. Sometimes they're in the back. No, they have the Halloween ones. The Halloween ones are really cute. Oh, here's the Christmas. Here's the Christmas items. I call them ornaments. Sorry, I didn't mean to make it a Mary Maxim magazine catalog video. Nope. Nope. Oh, that's cool. Little tissue covers. That Halloween house is really cute. Oh, here they are. Well, I also got this kit here. This one. For the kitty cats. That's the next one I'm showing you. This one with the deer gnomes is not in this catalog. Darn it. Oh well. Nope. All that looking for nothing. So this is what they look like. So you're welcome. I opened it. Apparently they have other patterns that they're advertising on their Etsy. That little house is very cute. Very cute patterns. That snowman's cute too. So yeah, the designer, Mama VYAZ, to mention her. But yeah, I thought it was very cute. So I'll put that back in there. And then last but not least, the little Christmas cats I showed you from the Mary Maxim magazine, also by the same designer. I think they come out sort of tallish. And this is also the Mellow Spun yarn. This, you know, I would have liked it better when they do it, you know, in the usual zippered Afghan kit bags, because then you can reopen it and then it's not just like, you know, a vacuum sealed plastic bag that when you open it you can't like reuse this bag to do your projects. But anyways, that's my 2 cents on that. So yeah, this is the Mellow Spun DK yarn, which is a Mary Maxim brand, and this is the white colorway. I think that red is still the same red. That's black. I'm not sure what the green is. But, well, that's the green. I don't want to open it if I don't have to. Okay, folks, so that's all I have to show you for today. Hope you liked it. Short and sweet. Sorry for the chaos. Bye.